Hello beautiful family, welcome once more to Cooking with Efia. This is a foodie channel, and if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and be part of this foodie family. And I've been away from YouTube for like 2 weeks now, and you guys waited for me. I'm so excited. To my new babies, you guys are the right place, you are the right foodie channel, and please stay tuned for more videos like this. And today I'm making Ghana party style salad recipe. Let's get started. For my list of ingredients, I have in cabbage, carrots, scallions or spring onions, green pepper, onions. So that I have in cucumbers and lettuce. So you can use any vegetable of your choice, whether being broccoli, green beans, or any vegetable you can think of. So for this salad recipe, I will need my sardines, my baked beans, corned beef, and my boiled eggs. In a bowl, I have in water. To that, I'll add in my natural vinegar. At least 2 tablespoons is enough. A salt, and stir this because this is the water we're going to use to wash all our vegetables. I've washed these vegetables off camera, so for demonstration purposes I have to redo this again for my lovely viewers. So next, I will be prepping all my vegetables into small slices. That is how I want mine. You can choose to slice it in bigger chunks if you want. So next, for demonstration purposes, I am only going to put this cabbage in water for 2 to 3 minutes before I remove it and add another vegetable as well. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I don't want to make this video too long, that's why I'm saying this. So I'll soak this cabbage for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll remove it and add in different vegetable as well. So that's what I'm going to do. And fam, if you don't have the vinegar at home, you can just go ahead and use just salt or lemon juice if you want. It works perfectly fine as well. So let's prep our vegetables until everything is nice and done. So as I said, if you like, you can prep your vegetables using a knife, but for me, I think that one takes a lot of time, so I use this grater. If you have it at home, please try to make good use of it because it works like magic, because it's very fast and easy to use compared to the knife when prepping the vegetables. Yes, I really enjoy using this machine, and just look at the end results. It has really sliced it beautifully, and this is how I want it to look. So next, I'm going to prep the rest of my vegetables, and enjoy the rest of the video as I prep my vegetables. And to my lovely subscribers, you guys, I really appreciate the messages, the words of encouragement that you sent to me when I posted that I've lost my phone. Trust me, you guys, I'm so grateful, and I can't thank you enough. And to my new babies, you guys, you are so welcome to this foodie channel. This is a foodie channel, and I know you're going to love staying here. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and be part of this foodie channel. Thank you for doing that. So moving forward, as you can see, I've de-seeded my cucumbers, and this is the reason why I de-seeded it, because I don't want my salad to be very watery at the end. So I have to de-seed because cucumber contains a lot of water, trust me. So I don't want any wahala at the end of this video. Next, I'll be prepping my lettuce. So I'll be using 2 methods. You can either prep your lettuce or you can split it using your hands. Yes, so I think prepping is more like it's not my thing, so I have to use this method. Easy, and we are good to go. Simple as that. And this is about 2 to 3 minutes of soaking our cabbage in that lemon or vinegar water and the salt as well. So I'll be using a clean tissue paper. You can use a clean napkin if you want to tap on my cabbage to get all the water from it, at least 90% water out from it. Yes, so we're going to do that until the tissue paper doesn't get too wet again. So I'll repeat this process on all the vegetables I prep. So for demonstration purposes, I will only demonstrate this cabbage for you. So next, I'll get my salad bowl and add in my cabbage. First, you can use lettuce or cabbage any way you want to start it, but for me, I choose to start with this cabbage. I don't know why Ghana salad we always start with either cabbage or lettuce. If you have any reason of that, please leave a comment in the comment section for me to know why we start our salad with cabbage or lettuce. Yes, I'm also here to learn, so please let me know if you know something about that. Yes, so let's get into the video. So after I added in my cabbage, I added in my carrots, lettuce, and my cucumbers. To that, I'll add in my baked beans, mayonnaise, and ketchup. So Ghana, we always enjoy our salad with some salad cream or mayonnaise or some ketchup. It is very good. So if you haven't tried this, please do well to try it because you are missing a lot of things. Yes, so I will repeat the same process, like adding in the vegetables little by little. Then our homemade party style Ghana salad is ready. Don't forget to like this video if you like it, and comment down below because commenting really helps this channel as well. And please click on the post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Yes. Moving forward, I'll add in the oil from the sardines. So the reason behind this is because the sardine oil contains a little bit of salt, so I really want a little salt in the salad. That's why I added in the oil. You can omit it if you don't want it either. So I'll add in my boiled eggs. And yes, what is Ghana salad without boiled eggs? And I choose to add in the yolk as well. If you don't like it, please omit it. I always say, always try to express yourself in your own unique way. Yes. Last but not the least, I'll dress my salad with my salad cream and also some ketchup as well. And just look at that. You can't miss Ghana party style salad recipe. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and be part of this foodie channel. Like, comment, and share this video to reach wider audience. And to my new babies, you guys, I love you so much. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Bye bye and stay blessed.